Honda Fury Best Cruiser Motorcycle for Beginners. The world of motorcycling holds a promise of freedom, self-expression, and a unique connection to the open road. For beginners venturing into this exhilarating realm, the choice of their first motorcycle is a significant decision that shapes their journey. The Honda Fury, with its blend of distinctive style, accessible power, and cruiser comfort, stands as an exceptional choice. With its bold performance, futuristic aesthetics, and rider-oriented features, the Fury offers novices an exciting avenue to embrace the cruiser lifestyle. Striking performance and approachable power. At the heart of the Honda Fury lies a potent 1312cc V-twin engine that offers a perfect blend of power and manageability. This engine provides an exhilarating performance that allows beginners to experience the thrill of cruising with power that's both exciting and controllable. Cruiser comfort and rider ergonomics. The Honda Fury is designed to provide rider comfort and engagement, offering a relaxed yet purposeful riding position characteristic of cruiser motorcycles. The low-slung seat, forward set foot controls, and sweeping handlebars create an ergonomic setup that ensures comfort during extended rides. Futuristic design and distinctive aesthetics. The Fury's design is a fusion of modern aesthetics with a futuristic twist, resulting in a bike that's both bold and unique. Its flowing lines, radical styling cues, and innovative design elements reflect an aesthetic that sets it apart from conventional cruisers. Novice riders not only experience the joy of cruising but also embrace the individuality that defines cruiser motorcycles. Responsive handling and agile maneuverability. The Honda Fury offers responsive handling and agile maneuverability, making it well-suited for novice riders. Its low center of gravity and balanced characteristics contribute to a confident and controlled riding experience, be it on city streets or open highways. Safety features and riding assurance. Safety remains paramount, especially for those new to riding. The Honda Fury models often come equipped with advanced safety features like optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, enhancing braking control and stability. This feature provides novices with an added layer of confidence as they navigate various road conditions. Urban and futuristic cruiser experience. The Fury's versatility allows it to excel in urban settings and beyond. Novice riders can transition seamlessly between city commutes and embracing the futuristic cruiser experience that the Fury offers. Community and rider bonding. Enthusiasts of the Honda brand form a community that warmly welcomes beginners. Joining this community provides novices with access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for the Fury's cruiser lifestyle. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Honda Fury encourages skill development as beginners build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the bike's capabilities, fine-tuning their riding techniques and fully embracing the cruiser experience. Long-term riding satisfaction. The Honda Fury isn't just an introductory choice, it's a lifelong companion for the cruiser journey ahead. Its performance, style, and brand reputation ensure that riders can continue to enjoy the Fury as they evolve from novices to seasoned cruiser enthusiasts. Conclusion. The Honda Fury stands as a testament to Honda's dedication to delivering a unique and stylish cruiser experience for beginners. With its striking performance, futuristic design, and commitment to rider comfort and safety, the Fury provides an immersive introduction to the cruiser lifestyle. By choosing a Honda Fury motorcycle, novices embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a cruiser community that shares their passion for the open road and the distinct style that the Fury brings to the table.